come on in. I want to tell you guys a little bit something. So this right here, very interesting. This is called a run flat tires. It looks like a normal tire, doesn't it? So let me tell you guys a little bit more about this. So run flats, 1934, where Michelin first came out with this technology by accident. So he wanted to help out local trolleys, commuter rail, so he invented this wheel, and he built a frame inside it, so in case something punctures the wheels, loss of air, they'll still be able to use it. So they came up with that technology where the run flats. So fast forward, early 2000s, BMW started promoting the run flats in all their vehicles as a safety feature, but also as an alternative to not carry a spare tire. So that's how. First and foremost, convenience. So if you do get a flat tire, someone decided to puncture your wheel, guess what? Convenience. Most of us don't know or don't want to change the tire in general. So run flats will allow you to still drive the vehicle. So that's the standard performance. The reason for that is it has a really thick frame on the walls of the tires. So again, a loss of tire pressure, anything like that, you'll still be able to drive it. Rule of thumb, 50-50, okay? So again, rule of thumb, 50-50, remember that. Drive the vehicle 50 miles or below for approximately 50 miles in distance. So again, rule of thumb, 50-50. Easy to remember. And again, another benefit of the run flats as well is slightly better on the miles per gallon. Reason for that is you're not carrying a spare tire on the back, so you don't have to worry about that, so it helps a little bit. So those are the benefits of the run flats. Hopefully help you guys out, educate a little bit more about the run flats. A couple things you do notice, they are a little bit more expensive than regular vehicles. Again, just because you have that benefit on the run flats as I've talked before, and also limited distance if you do use it, if something does come up. Any other question, please let me know. This is Lester. Talk to you soon.